get the win, and I think from now on, we're going to go on and we're going to have a good relationship. I know you were a little bit reluctant to come out of the dugout, but the fans wanted you to come out to make a curtain call. I'm assuming it's your first Major League curtain call. It was awesome. Yeah, I mean, that's very good. I mean, thank you to all the fans who have been supporting us all year, and I'm very happy to be here. And from now on, Dodgers. Let's go Dodgers. Now, tomorrow is Mexican Independence Day. What are you going to do for an encore? I don't know. Let's get some rest, and we're going to come back out Sunday and keep playing hard every day. Talk to us a little bit about the offense. Tonight it picked up. You got 8 runs tonight. We've been waiting for this kind of an explosion. Do you think that the guys can keep it going? Yes, yeah. We have one of the best teams in the league, I think, and we just need to do that. You got to keep playing hard, having fun, and keep fighting every day. Sorry I had to use you for a shield, but I like to get as much as you do. Great game tonight. Go and celebrate with your guys in there. Have a good time. Come out tomorrow and do the same thing. Thanks everybody for supporting us every day.